Welcome to Algebraic Techniques Lesson 4 for Stage 5.2. Learning intention is the same as the previous ones. So applying the 4 operations to algebraic fractions. You know you're making progress when you can simplify fractions and simplify algebraic fractions. The revision questions are here. When we multiply two fractions together, we times the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. Just like this, so 7x times 2x is 14x squared. So times the tops and the bottom numbers. And when possible, simplify the fraction. 14x squared over 15 is simplified as far as we can. When we divide, we need to slightly change the procedure. So we can invert and multiply. We can flip the fraction. So instead of 2x over 5, becomes 5 over 2x, and the divide becomes a times. Now we can times the top numbers and the bottom numbers. So 7x times 5 is 35, and 3 times 2 is 6. The x's here actually cancel out. So x cancels out with x. So what mathematically we're saying how many x's are in x, or simplifying this fraction, is 1 over 1. For the next one, 20 over 30, we can divide 20 and 30 by 10. So divide by 10, divide by 10. So we divide by the same number on the top and the bottom. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 30 divided by 10 is 3, so we get 2/3. Question D, we've got 10 times 2 on the top, 10 times 3 on the bottom. So the 10s here cancel out, just like the x's did up here. So 10 over 10 simplified is 1 over 1. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3, so we get 2/3. Same thing over here, a over a becomes 1 over 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3. So these 3 questions are talking about the same kind of concept, and it's what we're working on today. Here a over a is 1, so our answer is 6 over a. So with the examples that go into your notebook, we have 5 on the bottom here and 10 on the top. So how many 5s are in 10? So there are 2. Or we can simplify that fraction to be 2 over 1. A to the power of 4 is a times a times a times a. A squared is a times a. And how many 5s are in 10? 2, or 10 over 5 is 2 over 1. A's cancel. So we end up with 2a squared over 1, which is 2a squared. Next one, 9 over 3 becomes 3 over 1. And the a's we can cancel. And the b's do as well. And we're left with this a in the middle and 3. So it becomes 3a over 1, which is 3a. Part C, 3 over 9 is 1 over 3. So 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 there. A goes into A, so at 1 over 1. B's cancel. So we're left with 1 over 3A. Today's questions are here. The answers are over here. Check with your partner and the teacher. Good luck.